BandLab versus Ableton. Which DAW is better? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can completely change how you create music without unnecessary complexity. BandLab offers cloud-based collaboration, while Ableton provides powerful production tools. BandLab and Ableton are two popular DAWs with different focuses. BandLab is a free, cloud-based platform designed for easy collaboration and accessibility. Ableton is a professional-grade DAW known for its advanced production and live performance capabilities. BandLab is a free, cloud-based digital audio workstation that allows musicians to create, edit, and share music online. It works entirely in the browser or via its mobile apps, enabling seamless collaboration with other artists anywhere. BandLab includes essential recording and mixing tools, virtual instruments, and a library of loops and samples. Its cloud storage means projects are accessible from any device without installation. Strengths of BandLab include its zero cost, ease of use, and social features that foster community and collaboration. However, it lacks some advanced features found in professional DAWs, such as deep MIDI editing and extensive plugin support. BandLab is ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and musicians looking for a straightforward way to create and share music quickly without investing in software or hardware. Ableton Live is a professional digital audio workstation designed for music production, live performance, and sound design. It offers a versatile interface combining traditional timeline-based arrangement with a unique session view for improvisation and live looping. Ableton works by integrating powerful built-in instruments, effects, and support for third-party plugins. It excels in MIDI sequencing, audio editing, and real-time performance controls. Ableton's strengths lie in its flexibility, extensive feature set, and robust support for hardware controllers. Limitations include a high cost and a steeper learning curve compared to simpler DAWs. Ableton is best suited for professional producers, DJs, and musicians who require advanced tools for detailed production and live shows, and those willing to invest time mastering its features. BandLab and Ableton serve different needs in music creation. BandLab's cloud-based platform is perfect for quick collaboration and accessible music making on any device, especially for beginners or casual users. Ableton offers a comprehensive toolkit for producing complex tracks and performing live, catering to professionals and serious hobbyists. While BandLab's free model and social features lower the barrier to entry, it lacks the depth and customization Ableton provides. Ableton's Session View and extensive plugin compatibility make it ideal for live performances and intricate productions, but require more investment in time and money. Choosing between them depends on whether ease of use and collaboration or advanced production and performance features are the priority. BandLab is recommended for beginners and those seeking a free, cloud-based platform for easy collaboration and quick music creation without complex workflows. Ableton is the top choice for professionals and serious producers looking for a powerful, versatile DAW with advanced production and live performance capabilities. If you want depth, flexibility, and industry-standard tools, Ableton delivers unmatched creative potential.